Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Shahid Ali Khan, your IT teacher, and today I have another new video about malwares. So today we will discuss about malwares and their types. As we can see in this picture, we have different kind of malware, and those malware are surrounding towards the computer we can see. So let's see. First of all, malware. Malware or malicious software is any program or file that is harmful to a computer user. Types of malware can include computer virus, worms, Trojan horses, and spyware. These malicious programs can perform a variety of functions such as stealing, encrypting, or deleting sensitive data, altering or hijacking core computing functions, and monitoring users' computer activity. As we have discussed about that malware, a kind of a program that could come into your computer system through an email, through a audio file, video file, and it has different types as worms, Trojan horses, a kind of a spyware and spywares, and so on. So one by one we will discuss about different kinds of malwares, and normally they are used to disturb your computer, stealing some kind of a data, deleting sensitive data, altering or hiking or hijacking core computing functions, etc. So one by one we will discuss about these malwares. As we can see in this picture, a person that is creating malware, and after creating malware he is sending that malware file to a computer, and a person who is smoothly working on their laptop, and when that malware is entered into that laptop or a computer, you can see he is facing problem and his computer is not working. So this is a kind of a malware that could create problem for other computer users, and those people who have negative thinking, and those who want to hijack, and those who want to steal some kind of information. As we can see, this person is creating malware and then sending to other computer. So let's move towards the next one. Number one, computer virus. That is a kind of a malware also. A computer virus is a program or a piece of code that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge. A kind of a program that could come into your computer system without your knowledge, through email, through unwanted copying software from irrelevant source, from downloading something from the internet, etc., without your knowledge, and run against your wishes. Virus can also replicate themselves. Replicate themselves means virus file could be multiply itself. All computer viruses are man-made, and all the computer viruses is created by the peoples. A virus refer to a man-made computer program or code that is loaded onto a user's computer, and it is loaded into our computer system, and it is created by the people and mans. As we can see in this picture that there are different gadgets and devices, laptop, tablets, mobile phones, and if virus is coming from one device and it is moving towards all devices, those are connected to a computer network. In the yellow line we can see a virus is coming, for example this device, and that is spreading to other ones because they are communicating each other. So in this way, computer virus could be transferred easily to other computers or devices who are communicating. Virus is spreading through a network. We can see there is a computer network, there are servers we can see, and there is a laptop computer, and laptop computer is communicating to the main server, and it is getting information, a kind of information from the server, and there is a virus on the server, and the virus is transmitting towards that laptop, or the virus is inside that laptop, and when the laptop is connected to a computer network to the server, so virus is transmitting to the main server, so vice versa, and there is an internet cloud. So in this way virus can easily spread through a computer network, as we can see in this picture. Next malware is worms. As we can see, worms. A computer worm is a stand-alone malware computer program that replicates itself. It could also multiply itself in order to spread to other computer. In this way, it can spread easily to other computer. It often use a computer network to spread itself, and it is also use a computer network, as we have seen in the previous one there, and the virus is easily spread through a computer network. And same in the worm, worm could easily transmit through a computer network. By using a computer, it could transfer to other computers on a computer network. In the computer network, we can see, and there is a one laptop on the computer network, and the worm is there, and worm is moving towards to the other computer in the computer network, and so on. We can see in the third one also. So this one is a worms. It could make our computer system slow, and it can replicate itself. It can make thousands and millions of files of worms. The next one is spyware. That is also a malware. Spyware is unwanted software that infiltrate your computing device, stealing your internet usage data and sensitive information. Spyware is classified as a type of a malware, malicious software designed to gain access to or damage your computer, often without your knowledge. It is another kind of a malware, that means unwanted file is stored into your computer, and it can silently observe your accessing. It can silently observe your moving on the internet. What are you doing, what are you accessing? So each and everything is monitored silently. As you can see, a person is entered into a computer, and he is checking all your documents, all your folders, and it can copy your documents or folders, or uh, personal informations related to the banks, etc. So this a kind of a spyware, a kind of a software that can easily download into your computer system through internet, through email, or through any kind of a file you are downloading from the internet into your computer. Next one is adware. Adware is another kind of a malware. As we can see, adware or advertising supported software is often that display unwanted advertisement on your computer. The ads are delivered through pop-up windows or bar that appear on the program user interface. Adware is commonly created for computers but may also be found on mobile devices as well. As we have discussed about the adware, adware means a kind of advertisement that is come into your screen when you are browsing something, when you are visiting any kind of a website. So different type of ads appear into your screen, and when you click on the one ad, then and another ad is appear, because they are cascading each other and they are connected to each other. So in this picture we can see a person is working on the computer, and he is uh, facing a lot of ad is coming to on his desktop computer. So adware is a kind of a advertisement that could come into your screen when you are browsing and when you are doing something on the internet. So these are the different malwares we have discussed one by one. Number one is a computer virus, and after that we have discussed about the worms, and then we have discussed about the spyware, and in the last we have discussed about the adware. I hope students that you have understood about the different malwares used in computer network to create problem to the other peoples. If you have any problem, so you could ask. In the next coming video, we will discuss a new topic related to the computer science. So until that, Allah Hafiz. I am going to signing out.